Alright, hello everyone, and welcome to How to Make a Cup of Tea. I'm coming fresh off of the recording of the finale of Void Matrix, and I just want to do something kind of calm. So I'm just going to show you guys how I make a cup of tea. Let's get started. Whoa. Turn the kettle on. Okay, yeah, see? So the first thing we're going to do is turn the kettle on over here, and welcome to my house. It's a little blank. I'm gonna get some wall art soon, and it's probably stools for my table here, let's just turn the kettle on. Why don't we get the tea bag? Yeah, and then you pick up your tea bag here, and then you just put the tea bag into the cup, which is this one here. Yeah, see, just putting in the tea bag. My door is slightly open, and I don't really know why. I'm kind of just, I like to leave the door ajar in most situations. Oh, then looks like the kettle is warm, so let's pour the water into the cup, and there we go. Okay, so now we're just going to stir the tea a little bit. Yep, I like to do without even looking, honestly. And then we're just going to remove the tea bag and eat it, I suppose. And then we're just going to head over here, get our sugar, because what's tea without a bit of sugar, right? I don't really prefer milk in my tea, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Because you know what? This milk, it says that it's good on the side, so, I got it. So I'm just gonna stir the tea a little bit. And just, there you go. Just pick up your tea, leave the refrigerator open, and just walk out, Alright, so welcome to episode 2 of How I Make Tea. So first off, we're going to just turn the kettle on once again. First steps first. Then we're going to get the tea bag, which silly me, dropped on the floor earlier. Okay, we're going to put the tea bag in the cup. Oh, looks like the kettle is whistling once again. So we're just going to move over here, put that in, and just stir it around a little bit. Alright, and then we're just going to remove that there tea bag. Yeah. Get the sugar, but this time we're gonna use dog treats, because why not? And we're gonna get some milk that's a little frozen, but I like my milk iced. So I'm just gonna stir that around, then we're just gonna pick up the tea like it was nothing. Alright, episode 3 of How to Make Good Tea, and we're just gonna turn the kettle on just like normal. And then we're gonna grab the tea bag, which I have in a pile over the floor over here. So we're just gonna put the tea bags in my little teacup here. And then we're gonna get the kettle. I don't know if you heard it whistle, but I did that time. Oh, look at my new refrigerator. It's this new gravity fridge kind of thing. It's pretty crazy. So we're just going to put the water in there, stir that up a little bit, like it was nothing. And then remove that tea bag. Get the sugar, which I seem to have misplaced. Oh, look, here's my little dog. I call him Dog. Come here, dog. Oh, that's right. Silly me. I forgot that I named my dog Sugar. Okay, and then we're gonna just pick up the milk that, I think I know why the salesperson warned me about my new gravity fridge. Nah, it's okay. Alright, we're just gonna stir the tea. Maybe I'll get a new refrigerator in between episodes. And yeah, there we go. That's tea for you. Alright, welcome to episode 4 of How to Make Tea. And as you can see, I got a new light bulb for the place. I kind of like recording with the warmer light. It's just easier on the eyes, So we're just gonna turn on the kettle. This is Kettle here, and he's just gonna, gonna turn him on a little bit. Alright. Oh, and this is also tea bag. No, you did. Oh, tea bag into Cup's cup over here. Okay. And now we're just gonna get the kettle. Oh, thank you very much, sir, for warming that up for me. Very nice of you. I'm gonna pour water into a cup here. We're gonna just stir up cup. Now we're just gonna remove the tea bag. And we're gonna go grab Sugar over here. What up, Sugar? I can eat sugar with both hands. I'm ambidextrous. Oh, God, Sugar, you're so silly. God, man. Okay, and then we're just gonna get milk. Hello, Mr. Milkman. You look a little scared, too. I'm the milkman. My milk is delicious. Yes, God, let me tell you, it's a little weird. Alright, yep, so better hope he likes it. Yeah, I know. Tell you what, it's I think my viewers will enjoy this tea a lot. Thanks for your help. Alright, welcome back to episode 5. I think there was too much going on in my tutorials last time. It seemed like people were starting to get a little bit confused, so I just turned up the music so we can just vibe a little bit here. So we're just gonna start and turn on the kettle. Then we're gonna get my tea bag over here and just put the tea bag into the cup just like normal. And then hear that kettle whistling once again. So we're just gonna pick that up and pour it in like it's nothing. And then we're just going to stir the tea. Easy. Okay, and then we're just gonna remove that tea bag. Grab the sugar. Put the sugar in the teacup. Sorry, it was a bit laggy there. So I had to do so I had to do a jump cut there to signify that I moved into a new house. Look at this place. It is crazy, super big kitchen. I mean, it's almost culinary, the size of this kitchen. So we're just gonna leave the tea there and just kind of take a tour of the kitchen. It's a lot more realistic. The tea kettle and lamp and tea bag over here and my milk are just, super realistic now. I mean, like 4K textures and everything. And, I thought that the best thing that I could have on my countertops is for them to say stock photo. Because, why not? Like, it's fine. Alright, yep, so, yeah, that was tea, and, I'll see you guys next episode. Alright. Welcome to episode where we're just gonna, I'm just gonna do the rest of the house tour. Hello, sir. This is tea.
Why, thank you.
Of course.
That was the best cup of tea I've had in 5,000 years. While you're here, look at what I've been working on.
And there we go. So there we go, guys. That was how to make a cup of tea. I hope you enjoyed this multi-episode series. And yeah, I hope you now are well informed on how to make a good cup of tea.